When they break like this, the first thing when BC say you go do now to make sure say you find out what in BC they happen around you. And one of the things that when BC say the show say they happen around you, now be the one BC say you get to do with you, may they inform you. Where they for inform you if you know past television. You know past television, no past radio, and itself newspapers, all of them they inside. Now make sure our face this morning when BC now be the 14th day of the month. Yes, so the 14th day of the month of January 2022. We could see share our buy, we could put belay together for the things that won't be said they have for our dear state, Edo State, our country, Nigeria, and even say all over the world. Yes, so everything will be said they happen. African Cup of Nations don't start. AFCON, it don't start. All of us they enjoy together. Now part of the system, I be that one. So many things then they won't be said yesterday we could talk today. But my two beautiful brothers now will call them because I don't too fine. When man don't too fine, you can say they be beautiful people. Emmanuel Akbololo, Emma, good morning.
Good morning.
I greet you.
Viewers, good morning.
Hilary Nusa Odia, good morning.
Good morning, Thomas.
I greet you.
Good morning, Akbololo.
You're not fine, man.
My viewers, good morning.
You're not fine, man. The way you do your face this morning, man, I don't just understand.
You
When
see,
you bring the face down, one man tell me, he said, be calming down.
we must calm down. But when in the process of calming down, some people they let us know say our calming down that the same as Mumuna will be, there will be no need to calm down. You understand? We'll just begin to talk the matter as it be, so that we'll know where we they go.
No matter what.
Not be one person get the country, not be one person get the state.
No matter.
Now all of us own.
Not be one person get the local government.
Exactly.
Not be one person get
The community.
That's so. So no matter what it say they happen, be calming down. You don't understand? They call of the, if you look at the now the local government chairman, they don't put excellence for your name. Not only local government, they don't put excellence for your name. But they put a honorable. I mean, they put a honorable chairman. President, you see the big name they get. President is excellency. Governor is excellency. Local government chairman, honorable. All of the honorable.
Lawmakers, honorable. If get where go read, they'll come they put right. Join your own.
Yes, that could be
right
right.
honorable.
But you get where serious to the free country that right to left too.
He must go to left because if everything way they do with all this honorable title, all this excellency title, all this right honorable title, everything way they use and they do. Now left hand, now they bend, they go that negative. Now be say, now then I will go place you when day of reckoning come.
But we know no matter what we talk or what they happen, we tell Mr. President, everything when we say you do, make it do and make it right. Mr. Governor, now the governor when we say you do with us here, anything when we say you do, make it check yourself before you do. Mr. Local Government Chairman, we don't even get for it.
We not get local. You say local government for other states we get. For states we get.
We tell them and say, we not do like honorable national. Legislators now honorable and because they will call
the lawmakers where they represent constituencies, the ones we get because for a donor some constituency not get representative for House of Assembly.
So the ones we get, so even the ones ready for National Assembly, some be honorable.
The honorable commissioner, if you be honorable, you see honorable where?
May you wait now.
Because some local government are not represented for.
Hilary,
I dey hear you, Oga.
You know they hear me.
Good morning, sir.
I say they hear me now. If they hear me.
Good morning, sir.
So the honorables there, when we say they did for the National Assembly, you behave honorably. The one we say yes, say him be distinguished senator or anything, you go behave distinguishedly. That we go know who it be say will be. That's one thing they test small picking. When you enter a belly, if you get wisdom, you come big inside. Some of the ways when we say our governors they behave. So this is our country, Nigeria. Maybe waiting, we say they carry the whole thing when we say a concerned government and everything. But that's not personal enterprise put up for their pocket. Nobody so it's supposed to be. Now all of us get the states, all of us get the countries there, the country there. All the states when they people are inside now. If you don't get people when we say yes, you the rule or you the govern, how you want to do things. So now be the thing. So make we do things then rightly the way it be say. Emmanuel Akbololo and my brother, you see the things when we say it they happen.
No, you not see what they happen now. You don't see say Akbololo bring Bible comes to do.
Yeah, maybe you get to where you want to make reference.
Okay.
For this thing. No, Akbololo, I want to when we say I respect her for. If you get information, get it fast.
Quest to dig deep.
So now be the thing. So you want to, digging deep.
Exactly.
So when you dig deep like that, you go show you say yes. Now you talk about see where for
Siam.
Yes. Say yes. Now you not being write the Bible.
And I even happy say he bring Bible come this place today. You understand? The account of Moses. Waiting maker no enter promised land. He use as Siam
because of anger.
So some of our governors for this country go ask Moses. Waiting anger lead to. If you say you be governor you say you dey angry to the extent you go dey make statement wey you not suppose make you go dey do things wey you not suppose do. Go ask Moses wetin anger do am for Holy Scripture.
Just like the psychiatrists wey be say dey happen. If you
No,
look,
don't be when that governor dey watch TV.
wait first now.
You know they watch TV. People they watch now. People wey dey do is a check for long.
When you go Benue State, your adopted state, at times when you say you go there, you go see Tabas now. You go talk to them.
Hey, what contest governor now?
Tabas.
Yeah, I tell you. The chief, no, not be just chief person. They don't resign now. TPS, want to contest governor.
Okay, we wish and
We wish am well.
That's one. Not everybody get the right to aspire. Everybody get
Like
the right.
Tinubu and
you understand? All of them get the right
Tinubu
to
and,
aspire. All of
Mike.
them get the right to do what they want to do. Dele Momodu don't come and say he want contest too.
What do?
Dele Momodu don't come and say yes, he want contest as president under the platform of the PDP. He don't come out. So they don't come out like that. All Jews or Kalu don't come out. Say one contest. Omai say one contest. What do they call her? Ayim Pius, Ayim say one contest.
Maybe we even discuss politics. But what if it happen for APC?
May you wait now.
We don't know if you do convention.
You see, this is not part of the matter that when they say
A house that is divided against itself
no, you see,
cannot stand.
You are not.
It is scripture.
You are not a member of. Are you a character member of APC?
Of
No,
none
but
of
what
the
would they do,
but for
Wetin
wetin we dey
would they
see?
see?
We dey see division.
We
We dey see quarrel.
See, you know what?
Ordinary convention,
there's
political
one
party.
thing. No, nah. There's one thing when you say you go do about politics. When you say that they reach time of election like this, you
yes.
see different kind of drama and then say they happen. They say they go do in February. Now the first talk. Mr. The country say they say February. February never reach and the rest. And then later, the Congo meet Mr. President. Mr. President say make them make sure they settle all the squabbles. They want the wala on BC for the political party before BC they do this thing. So if they do, I mean they quarrel now. The other political party go they happy now. PDP they go they happy. Yes, maybe they quarrel. You understand? When they call the other political party, PPA they happy, CDC they happy, SCP, all of them go they happy. Say make it they happen to them. That's how they be. If one person no law, APGA go they happy. If person who no spoil, other one
No better.
You know the better.
And I mean politics wey we dey play
That be
for
what
the
they do
country.
for this country now. You say they pray, say yes, they make their own law, so we go pick up. That's it just be, and it's sad. But anyway, we go look all of these things there. We go look the one we say yes, it concern all the political aspirants that when we see them they come out as 2023 done the year. That I want to when we say we go look at. We don't start put mouth inside. We still talk the one we say Governor Obaseki talked yesterday. They want to make Edo State one of the cleanest states then for the country.
All those talk wey governor dey talk. Nah, make they see the action.
No, wait
Talk,
first
talk.
now.
You be talk.
You wait now. Are you saying the man is a talker without action?
Don't be talk. By now, we should be seeing things.
If I talk,
make it do.
Listen now, the way where they drive, they go and never understand.
Where be the
Now,
place?
be this now. They say first, you don't acknowledge with the statement say Edo State is very, very dirty. We dey talk and hear the time say Edo State is very, very dirty. Edo State is dirty. If you go for the city center, you dey go Akwa Ibom now, they come back. I don't go River State, come back. I don't go many state. Even that what they call this Ebonyi State. No, now even Ebonyi State when we say they here. Ogusa, I don't go there. I don't see many flyovers there. You know the Edo State is congested.
When you reach there, no, you dey talk about Ebonyi. Now you talk about Ebonyi now.
I don't. Yes, now I don't reach Ebonyi State.
When you see the IGR wey dey Edo and wey dey Ebonyi, you go dey ask and see the kind of project
When we say
wey dey for Ebonyi, my brother.
Yes.
You go dey ask as I say whether Edo, whether na nice the thing come vanish.
Okay,
When you see the kind of projects wey dey or Ebonyi, come see the one we say there Edo, we like say
And see the difference between the IGR.
Edo na bebe.
Okay, now be the two way be say. So now make am be say David Umahi if he say yes, he don't do many things there for a state. Maybe he want to make us say the look and say we'll go do it for outside too. We'll go do it for national level. So he has the right to aspire. Okay, make we just quickly dwell on the issue of the people that when we say they come out now for the national for the 2023 presidential election. We don't see. Man, call some names when I know. If they don't come out publicly, Ahmed Tinubu, Jagabai don't come out publicly. So say he want to contest. Atiku Abubakar, he don't already the show. He don't show interest and he don't say and say yes he won't contest. Omai don't show say yes he won't contest. Ayim don't show say he won't contest. Dele Momodu don't show say he won't contest. What do they call it? All Jews or Kalu don't show say he won't contest. Gando J don't show say he won't contest. All of them.
Bala Mohammed
for
Bauchi State.
He won contest. So everybody to
now them a guy Rufai Koro.
So
this security
driver. No, we never listen. There is a window. There is a window when the BCS say make everybody take talk. The time we say they won't contest or not. The window never close. I remember when MKO Abiola come, nobody said the equation. You understand? If nobody know, say yes, that man won't come contest. He just came less about a month or so. You understand? To election now he come and say yes, he won't contest. And the political party then, SDP. They get this thing. So it never too late. Somebody can come out a day to the end of this thing. So even yes, if they see now the 14th time go end when it be today. Today never finish. 12 never knock. 6 never knock. The finish now 4 o'clock. A minute to 4 somebody just walk outside the office. They just say yes.
What? Hilary.
So I want
to everybody will work contest. Like that. May they get this country for heart. They will come to tell us what they want to do, what they don't want to do, what they could do, and all of that. From Dele Momodu to Adisi Bala Mohammed, all in post because Adisi am for different.
But you never formally talk am more.
Yeah, but Adisi am.
And no, you know what they did there. You see, there was a time when it be say Osinbajo, he poster full everywhere. He come and say, yes, he no talk say he want contest. Yeah. But now with the CC pressure, they on the manner. Until Moku just do it formally. Until the person come formally talk and say, he won't do. Moku take another.
So you don't already get intent to, you never come out to come talk.
But
group you join all of them.
At the top.
No.
Make all of them. Make all of them.
If you don't already get the intention.
Whoever won't contest.
Whoever go contest.
See, the important one I say, whoever won't contest, may they take borrow a leave from Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State. With the always they talk about continuity in government.
Yeah.
You understand? Because Nyesom Wike tell us say all the projects when he meet for ground, he completed all of them. Yes. We should see that in governance. He not there written for any part of our law. That I want when we say this bill for national planning go do for us, or maybe national assembly go do for us. Maybe we see continuity. If President Muhammad Buhari do some projects for ground, if he come out, as we enter, follow them up and complete them. Read the policies where that matter do. Anything when we say you need to do, you correct them.
And one that is, but put something for that. One that when we say we know, they know. Now who complete projects? And the common man they see. Not those start projects. Yes. You understand? The glory will even come to you more than the person will initiate the project. Because they write and there say this project was initiated by completed by.
I read for Uzodima. That day, I was watching a video where Korocha they say the road when it starts, this one only do, this one only do. Uzodima they say na he do this there's so many things when Uzodima don't complete. When we say press project.
Wait. It was that Uzodima say na he do be na
Okorocha is not complaining that the thing when it starts, Uzodima come finish and he can take the glory.
There's no
listen. Before you enter, I you know how I also talk this one. I go also take Edo to wrap them up. You see, I like the lights project where they go for Edo right now, the lighting of the streets. But if you watch, they remove some poles. They remove some poles, they put other pole. Are you listening to me? They remove some cable, they put other cable. It means that those things, now another governor put that there. You remove that put. If what I expect as a layman, they say those posts where they there so make them work on them so that they will continue the work where they do. But now they are doing it. I agree. But the only thing I'm saying that when this governor comes and condemn this other governor project, don't forget that when you leave too, they will also remove your own.
Get one thing I want to check. Were they working before they remove them?
But those poles, poles, even if the lights are not, what about the poles?
But because I think it will be wrong. I don't see any wisdom for any government to remove waiting they work before. Put another one. Especially those cables.
Yes,
those cables are working. I don't see any reason why they will remove
I believe for the street light issue where they talk about. You see, the poll...
No, see, gentlemen, don't digress.
Quickly,
because now you bring the matter.
You only just start example, but me also don't work out for time. Issue of continuity should also be brief. Now, the issue of continuity, now they talk about now, say, if they come into power now, you get intention to become the next president after 2023. Project where you meet for grant.
Complete them.
Now they bring development. The one where come on, you do and half. You come, you start your own, you do and half. The other one come, you start your own, you do and half.
There, governor so inaugurated this thing.
So you don't understand.
They're going to say your time, not for complete this project.
Then for that one when they talk about now, I feel say lay my idea anyway. The pole and the light, they customize them together. So if the new one where we want bring now not conform with the one where they we not get choice than to come out the one we fed them.
Or maybe they just want to all of the today
uniform. So that one pass there. The former Opus Odima, in predecessor, they complain say why go do project where he start.
So why complete
and finish. They talk
say
it's a very wrong idea.
What
a very wrong idea.
Because these aspirants maybe they listen.
Make una they listen because you not get where you want to take that, when the glory not be your own, not be your own. If you collect the glory will not be your own, you collect problem to yourself.
When you did the one you started, why you no complete?
Okay, if you not get the time.
No, why you no complete?
If you not get the time.
So if you no say no go fit complete, why no start the one when
no sir, no. No, God, the president, the wetin they talk now. Now wetin go cause enmity.
Listen, it's a very simple thing.
Yes, sir.
If you know, say you don't want make somebody come claim any kind of glory. When you finish and not be finished and more, anytime you say come follow up with the project.
Yes.
You start the project and complete it.
No, Oga, taking glory of the project you completed.
Why
I don't see him as anything.
So why is he complaining?
But Oga Thomas, it's only natural. Now, natural say, this project where we complete today as a government, we thank the previous government. We start time.
See,
no, bad word to talk.
Listen, now, if you want to start argument,
yes,
or you want to discuss any issue, you go look at why it take come. Akbololo say, Okorocha they complain. Say the work
when
you
start.
Opus
Odima complete and take the glory entirely.
No, you hear a word now. You use that word entirely.
No.
Okay. How you take talk?
Yeah, he said the man they take the glory.
Take the glory as how?
Say they take the glory of the work when he starts.
That's taking the glory entirely.
The work when he starts. No, see,
because if he say,
man, say, listen. He say for the work when he say he start.
Yes.
You understand? You and I, Alakolo, we agree. Say, if a project is started, somebody should come and complete it.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So if you know, say you don't make anybody take the glory and all of that, you go. The house when this person what they call him Ogbemudia over 30 years ago.
Sir.
When this say you do one project.
Let him.
Now house when this say Ogbemudia do over 30 years or 40 years ago.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Now in this say governor go complete.
Yes, sir.
And the rest.
Yes,
so rather than say this thing was done by this thing and they put on there like
yes,
that. Say see what thing happen.
Does that mean he not know the history of the project where it complete? The governor is the present governor now.
The governor knows.
He not know.
The governor knows.
He know. So is there any way? Oh, damn! Wait now. Wait now. Why you go say public no know?
Gentlemen.
Me no say the new secretariat blocks now.
Gentlemen.
Don't be the project where this government starts.
Gentlemen.
But the government complete time.
Gentlemen, make we not be like say we digress because somebody called me. He talk and I say that issue. Make we finish and I tell us how they promise us now. Say this one be say concern this. What do they call it now? We will go back to let me finish. But the aspirants that are coming,
yes,
when we don't list some of their names come out now, Akbole thought say yes, see what they're supposed to.
I just said agenda for that.
So in a way and the rest.
Tinubu, Oga Tinubu now, Jagaban. You know, a lot of Nigerians are so learning from them. I remember that one president for this country, a younger sister, senior for age. You understand? Then the Jagaban to get issue with age.
With age. So that kind of person will be a leadership.
Born the governor of Osun State, Oyetola. I think he's a younger sister also. I think so. And the way they do like saying that's the younger sister. for age matter.
So
what I'm trying to say is that
see, it good there. Make we look fast. The way they do, how they do. It come and contact us. That younger, that one. It's not Rabin, and it's not that one.
No,
do you have proof?
That make me talk. You know what I said talk. You don't know the
age. I know of somebody for this beginning. I will show you. I will show you. The mother died at 62. I was shocked when she was celebrating her 50th birthday. I asked her, say, your mother, which day? This one, your mother. Your mother at 62 years now you die. You die at you dey celebrate birthday. How? It take be. He talk and say yes, very sad. He talk and the circumstance when be say lead to a mother's pregnancy. At 12 years, yes.
At 12 years.
At 12 years.
That will be understandable.
You understand? It did. So,
we understand that.
No, for somebody to give, I don't know this, I never confirmed the governor, what do you call this thing? Osun State. I never confirmed that was in a Jagaban, younger sister, and I born this thing, I born the guy. I never confirmed that one. But the truth is that it's possible to say the woman feel born somebody as old as that. The governor is about 50-something years. Osun State governor, I think so, about 50-something years. So that be the thing. So I don't know how old she be. I think the guy is about 52 or 52 years. I don't know how old the woman be before he born that guy. If now he born him,
what of a president?
A 52 years old man should be giving birth to.
Say be this thing now. I think he celebrated 79 years the other day now.
79.
But
at the point, the younger sister was 82.
No, see, listen.
See, Oga Thomas, make we not too.
You know, we don't get what they call institutional failure. That makes some of these things they happen.
Now you they talk the thing.
If not true, because me don't know of any person when be say a younger person when it be say go senior age go past the senior person age. I never see. You know understand? So if we are living in a country when it be say probity day, when it be say yes say decisions day, when we say no, when we say yes say we stand uprightly.
Yes.
If a man should come out and say, a footballer the other day. And they catch the other day, what is the color? I think I'm from Zambia.
Yes.
Or so. You talk and say this thing. In your song, I don't know say talk. In your song age, even pass your age. You know that stuff. So everybody was shocked.
So Sado, as we wrap up this, before we go drink some more water, the Nigeria that we're looking for, what kind of Nigeria? This crop of people now, we'll begin to look at them. Now, them the people who say we want
the hope of
next
tomorrow,
Nigeria,
next generation.
Is it about money? I read one place when we say they say one company man don't really donate 2 jets for to Oga Jagaban. Is that what I'm talking about? Because right when we say he be the governor for Lagos State, now this age and this syndicate and all this work till they come. Is that the kind of Nigeria we are looking for?
As far as I know here, I cannot hear that yes, you are aspiring for something. And I know say yes, me and you the present program together, we are colleagues, and I know say yes, we did little, I know we'll give you assistance. You understand? So if the Jagaban say he want to contest,
he has the right.
And somebody say yes, say he give us say donate to this.
He has the right.
He has the right.
He get the right. Even he says he get the right. He get the right to do everything.
So even remember the governor of what do they call her here? There's not a market woman. Nobody they say they buy ticket for her. Our governor here, Obaseki. Not be so they talk. And so not be the same way. So what do we know they talk here? So not be saying not get the money. Even Buhari that time when he was contesting the first time, it was by some people that bought for him. He said he doesn't have money and the rest. So now this is so if they deceive ourselves and the rest, now that man talks.
You don't ice the cake. We are deceiving ourselves.
But for how long? For how long will we continue to deceive ourselves?
That matter that the government when people deserve.
Now they get.
You understand?
Yes.
So anything we say we see, make we manage them.
Then to conclude,
no,
sir,
you never finish.
No,
quickly,
man.
The one where you want to enter. Last week, 2 weeks ago, Saturday, last Sunday and last Monday, our president granted an interview to the channels and NTA. For NTA own, you talk and openly say what that's what they was their own age. They tell on.
We're going to take some more break. I'm going to drink some more water. When they come back, just not go anywhere. Name on the program. Good morning from Benin. For anywhere BC, they watch us across the world. And many other issues then they want BC we will talk. Hey, February don't reach you. They say they want to give us new pump price of petrol. You will look at this matter, will come back. Not go anywhere, stay.